Sometimes silence holds a story no one hears.
Each wrong note felt like a whisper, telling her to quit. But she kept going, even when no one was watching. Night after night, she played through her doubts, until the music began to sound like strength. One night at a time, she found her strength in every note. And when the world finally listened, she played her truth. Because strength isn't loud, it's quiet, and it never gives up. Dreams don't fade, they just wait for courage to find them.
Please subscribe.